WeldFab Tech Times presenting Real recognizes Real WeldFab Tech Awards nominations.
After months of intense work on a massive fabrication project, Ravi, a skilled welder, finally took a breath. Long hours, countless sparks, and endless precision, his work spoke of dedication, but it often went unnoticed. One evening, over chai at the workshop, his friend Arjun shared something that lit a new kind of spark. "Have you heard about the WeldFab Tech Awards?" Arjun asked, eyes gleaming. Ravi shook his head. "They're celebrating the excellence of the welding industry, bro. Real recognition for guys like us, who put in the sweat and skill every single day." Arjun had just been nominated himself. "I submitted my story last week. You should too. Your work deserves appreciation." Ravi felt a mix of surprise and pride. Could his work finally get the spotlight it deserved? Arjun smiled and said, "Go to www.weldfabtechtimes.com and nominate yourself. Let the world see your spark." Because, WeldFab Tech Awards aren't just about trophies, they're about honoring the hands that build the world. For more details, scan the QR.